How to see liked post on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can actually see liked post on Instagram, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to see liked post on Instagram, all you have to do is just go ahead and then simply open the Instagram application. And then once you open the Instagram app, and if you want to see all of the posts that you've liked, for this example I'm going to like this post here as well. Now let's say I browse through a couple of things and I want to see all those liked posts. For that, just come to your profile page, tap on the three lines icon, go to the option called your activity. Once you come to your activity, go to the option called interactions, and once you go to interactions, go to likes, and then once you go to likes, here you'll be able to see all of the posts that you've liked. Now if you want, you can actually sort and filter them accordingly, just like that, by going to sort by or author or start date or end date or whatever else you actually prefer yourself. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then actually see liked posts on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.